Hey everyone, it's Brea Rahanna, and I'm gonna be doing this look for you guys. Hair, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of nails, you know. So right here, I'm using the crochet hook just to pull the ends of the braids up because I forgot to braid it into the others. Now I'm putting on a wig cap, and this is my lace closure, you know. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm tracing around the lace closure to make sure that I don't get any glue in that area or glue protectant in that area because I'm gonna be cutting that away. This is the protectant. It protects your hair from the glue. And I was wondering if I should have used just a beige cap, a tan cap, whatever colored cap. I'm probably gonna try that out next time because I will be doing another quick weave because I got these really long nails on and I like the quick weave, but I'm just really slow. Like this was the slowest quick weave ever because it took me all day to do this. I waited for 15 minutes for the hair protectant to dry, and then I started gluing on the hair. Here I am measuring how long I need the hair to be to cut it, and I'm cutting it. And what you just saw was me just blow drying it a little bit because I put the glue down on it and then I blow dry it for a couple of seconds and then I put it on my head like right here, because when I put the glue on and then I try to stick it on my head, it kind of slides and then glue gets on the hair or, you know, where glue does not need to be. So I make it a little bit tacky first before I stick it down onto my head. And I use my fingers to guide so I don't rush. I can use my fingers to feel where it needs to go so I don't stick it down on top of the hair. And now this is the second pack of hair. I got 2 packs of hair. But yeah, I move really slow. This took me all day to do. And a quick weave is supposed to be quick, but I'm just not quick. The only thing that took me like the whole day was the closure, because the closure part, bleaching it, was the most. So this is the hair that's left over. And now we're gonna start working on the closure, the part that took the longest to do. So here's the closure, and I'm just gonna be applying a thick paste of bleach to it. And the closure, it didn't bleach at first. Like, it was just a dark brown. It wasn't like a blonde or a light brown. So I had to do this step again, which really annoyed me. And I left it on for 30 minutes each time. So, like, I left it for 30 minutes the first time, and then when I had to do it again, I left it for another 30 minutes. But at first, I wasn't trying to bleach it again. I was just like, you know what, forget it. I'm just gonna keep going. But it just was bothering me. I wanted it to look a certain way. It still didn't really look exactly how I wanted it to look, but it was close. So here I am applying the bleach to that little piece right there. And I waited 30 minutes. And here I am opening it up. And it's just a dark brown. It doesn't even look like a dark brown. It still looks kind of black. And I was like, what the hell? Like, what? Yeah, I had to wash it out and do it again. So here I am brushing through the hair, putting it in a ponytail and cutting the ponytail. I had clippers, but when I was ready to use it, it was broken. I was like, who the hell broke my clippers? The fuck? So I had to use these dang scissors, and I really hate cutting hair. Like, I hate when the hair falls on me, and then, you know, you get that itchy back and itchy chest. Yeah, I thugged it out, man. I thugged it out, and I cut the hair. I think I did pretty good because I can't really be cutting hair too long because my hand starts to shake. This is the closure, and now I'm cutting the black cap out. I was actually pretty scared when I was cutting the black underneath. I thought like it was gonna slide off my head. Like once I cut it, it would like expand and slide off. But this is the closure before I bleached it again, because I remember I said I didn't want to do it, but then I did it. And I also put foundation on the closure. That's why it looks brown. The lace looks brown. And when I sew on my closures, I like to do each side. I don't like sew all the way around. I sew one side and then I get another needle and sew it on the other side because I want it to be tight and I don't want it to be like lump-sided. And now I'm just putting down just a little bit of got to be glued because I don't need much because it's sewed down. And I sewed the closure down because I couldn't put glue on the lace. I couldn't put the hair glue. I could do it. I'm just running a hot comb through it, and I'm taking some little hairs out in the front. But after I gelled them down and everything, I could have just skipped this step because you can't even see it. Flat ironing the hair, well, the closure, so that I can cut it. Taking a little mousse just to get rid of the flyaways and have it nice and flat. And now I'm just bumping the hair. I liked how it looked this way, not too curled in, but when I got to the other side, the other side was more curled than this side that I'm doing. So I went back on this side and curled it more, and then it just was curled in too much, and then I was like, you know what, it'll like drop by itself and be how I want it to be. So this is the finished result, and this is the back. And now I'm just doing my nails really quick. I just felt like doing my nails. I don't know. There's no real reason for it. So that's why it's really quick. It's not a tutorial or anything. I used acrylic. But what I would say is that I prefer gel because acrylic stunk up my whole house. Alright, so I just finished filing and I went and washed my hands. But acrylic dries a lot faster. Like, I don't have to sit there for 2 minutes to, you know, cure my nails or whatever. Well, more than 2 minutes. I like acrylic because it dries on its own. It's pretty fast, but it just stinks up the whole house. And right here I was trying to put the crystal on my nail and I couldn't pick it up with the thing, so I panicked and I used my fingers to pick it up. But these are what my nails look like. They're finished now. I didn't put any polish on it. Well, I put the gel top coat on it, but that was it. Now I'm doing my makeup really quick. It's not a tutorial either. It's nothing really special. So doing my eye makeup and, you know, all that stuff. And just put on my foundation. I didn't record everything that I did for my makeup. And now I'm setting my face and putting on some highlighter. And that's it. I hope you guys liked it. See you guys next time. Bye.